fast cause the Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can't see no less. That wig secure.
Hey lovely berries, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Audri Loveberry. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Lovely Berry squad, because what? We're lit over here. Videos every week, vlogs, reviews, fashion hauls, and now cooking. Come on, join the Lovely Berry squad. Make sure you comment, say hey. I answer back. I like your comments. Follow me on my social medias. I have an Instagram, and join the Lovely Berry squad. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. Thank you for watching my videos, liking and commenting. Make sure you turn on those notifications so you know when I post, and you can be right on those videos and you don't miss a thing. All right, let's get into this video. So on this video, we are doing a review of this beautiful half wig here. This half wig I got from your local beauty supply. It was around $25, $26. If you can get it off of Sam's Beauty, I will link it below. Or if I find a link for this half wig, I will link it below. This half wig is effortless. It's amazing. Right now, this hairstyle, I wanted to show you guys a different hairstyle than I showed you in the video. But this one is just a little bit of my hair out, as y'all see, you will see in the video, and a headband. Effortless, you guys. This beautiful blown out look with a little bit, just because of my hair color. This is actually my hair right here. Look, it's beautiful. It took me a few minutes. Effortless. So if you are interested in this hair, continue to watch. Hey lovely berries, so we are doing Sensational instant weave half wig called Jolette. This is in a 1B. This is a blowout style. It doesn't say how many inches it is. I want to guess maybe it's like 26 inches or so, maybe 20. No, it might be, yeah, 24 inches. I'll say 24 inches. But again, y'all, this hair is so effortless, so easy to do. Quick half wig to put on. You running late for work, girl. All you gotta do is pop that on with a headband. Beautiful. Do your edges, girl. That's all you gotta do. All right, let's continue to watch. So right here, I took out some of my hair in the front so I can have it where I don't have to wear a headband, or you could wear a headband as well. But I'm going to do it where you can have your hair out and it looks even more natural. But you give it
But you're giving me But you give it better.
Alright, this is the final look. I did straighten the top of my head a little bit more, but you guys, this is it. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, like and share, and I love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Stay sweet, lovely berries, and maybe a little sour. Bye.
What's up? Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get